2 minutes.
Fabulous.
2 minutes exactly.
2 minutes exactly.
That was 2 seconds over our practice one. As we are aware, diabetes affects 1 in 4 people, and this is increasing. Currently in the UK, there are 4.9 million people with diabetes. I am a type 2 diabetic and take the oral medication metformin to control my blood glucose level. Mathematicians can use mechanistic modelling to determine what dosages should be taken and when to get the best health effects for the individual.
To demonstrate this, consider this glass to be a patient without treatment. The doctor will start them off with a prescription, and it may take multiple appointments to get the dosage to a level where the medication will be appropriate. Using mechanistic modeling, we may be able to more accurately predict the dosage at the beginning so that fewer appointments are necessary.
Without the use of this modelling, correct treatment could be delayed, and if the dosage is incorrect, the following implications can happen. Underdosing, which delays impact to reducing the blood sugar, and this causes a high energy fix. Overdosing, which in extreme circumstances can lead to irritability, lack of sensibility, coma, and in severe cases, even death. Correct dosage and control assists in the reduction in the long-term conditions of diabetes, such as sight loss, foot amputations, and heart disease.
Now consider 2 separate patients. A dosage that is optimal for one may be too much for another. Mathematical models may allow us to personalize predictions specific to an individual.
There are 8,760 hours within the calendar year. A person with diabetes normally spends 3 hours a year in front of a health professional. This means they spend 8,757 hours a year looking after themselves. Understanding correct medication dosage and their effects through mechanistic modelling as a valuable tool in the process. So when you're in front of your health professional, every minute counts.